Changing the oil on my Honda Monkey. And let's not forget the filter. Spring, cap. Try to use this spring to get the filter out. Let's see. Dirty filter. And I'm changing this oil at 2,500 miles. The recommended oil change by Honda is every 4,000 miles. But I drive this motorcycle a lot, so I figure I'd really try to take good care of it so I can get 100,000 miles out of this motorcycle. Out with the old, in with the new. Don't forget, that's your spring side. So you want to be looking at that when you're pushing it in. This side right here is it has a gasket on it, and it's going to butt up right against the engine. Make sure that oil squirts right in there without any leaks. Simple as that. There's my spring. Look how well made Honda did it. It's got a nice little rubber O-ring on there to make sure there's never any leaks. Take your 8mm, let's tighten it up. Remember this guy? That's our oil drain plug. We don't want to forget this one. Let's go ahead and stick her back in. Again, this is aluminum, not too snug. That should get it. Well, look what I've got here. I've got motor oil. I picked this up from the Honda store. Here's your oil fill. Man, I must have snugged that down last time. Stick it in the hole. Now this part's easy. On the Honda Monkey, it calls for a quart. 1 full quart of motor oil. Guess what I've got here? Well, I've got 1 full quart. So all you gotta do is pour the entire jug inside. Make sure you take your time so it doesn't spill. Well, let's make sure it's all in there. That's a nice little trick. Just turn that puppy around and watch it go ahead and go in fast. I think that's enough. put that cap back on. Well, that's easier said than done. There we go. And Honda does a great job putting these rubber gaskets around. Make sure everything's snug. And guys, I wish I could extend this video further and keep talking to you, but that's it. That's how easy it is to change your motor oil on a Honda Monkey. Y'all have a great day.